Hey Joel Jaguars, Dr. Stout here, and I'm going to show you how you're going to sign up for your different clubs this semester. Super excited about our clubs. Either you just watched the video for the advertisement of all the clubs or you're about to. So what you need to know are your 4 favorite clubs that you are interested in joining. You have to rank them. You have to think, what's the first one that I'm super interested in joining? What's the second one that I'm super interested? What's the third? What's the fourth? And my fingers are crossed that you get placed in one of your top 4 clubs. So let me share my screen with you and we'll take a look on how to fill out that form. Okay, so here's my desktop. I am going to go to the form that you're going to see on your Chromebook in just a moment. So this is what you're going to fill out. Anytime there's a place to type, you have to type something. So type your first name. I'm going to pretend like my name is Jennifer, and I'm going to pretend like my last name is Jaguar. Of course, you will put your real first and last name, so that way I know which club you are interested in. I'm doing the 5th grade form, so I'm going to pretend like I'm in Miss Hill's class. And I know all of the different clubs, and I'm thinking about my top 4. And of my top 4, the one I'm really hoping to get into is Garden Club with Mr. Prippeton. And I'd also be okay with coding with Miss Glover because I want to make computers do stuff. And the one that I really want, I'm not seeing on here. So that means I have to scroll down. So I have to take this gray bar and scroll down, or I can click these arrows to make it go down. So there's lots and lots. Look at all of these clubs that 5th graders can be in. That's a whole bunch of clubs. Okay, so the one I want is at the very bottom, so I'm going to the bottom. I can't sign up for the boys only club because I'm not a dude, but I am interested in soccer with Mr. Brennan. And then I'd also be okay, I'm going to scroll all the way down. I'd also be okay being in theater with Miss Jandal. Now, I have put my selections in, but when you've done this, I still don't know. Dr. Stout still does not know what your options are, what your selections are. So you have to click this blue submit button. Let's say that you're the very first Jaguar in your class that gets to fill this out. Way to go, you are awesome. When you get to this screen, after you click submit, it says, thank you for turning in your club choices. If someone else needs to use your computer to submit a response, please click submit another response. Go Jaguars. So let's say you have 5 other Jags who are waiting to use the computer that you've been using. You'll just click submit another response, and now it's empty and all of their choices can go in. You only get to submit 1 form. If you submit lots and lots of different forms, I will only take your choices from the first form. So you have to remember that. All right, Jags. Your top 4 clubs, you have to put the one that you really want to be in at your first choice, and then your other 3 that you're okay being in, and then you will find out what club you have been placed in next week. All right, go Jaguars!